In this video, we'll discuss about the differentiation using logarithms. There are two types. Type 1 is y is equal to variable to the power variable. Another type 2, that is when a function is expressed as the product of division of many, as the product and division of many functions. And for this variable to the power variable, there are three types of method: method 1, method 2, method 3. But method 3 is not for exam. This is not for exam, but you can do both are for exam. For exam. Now I am doing it one by one. Stop. Now look at this problem. Y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. Method 1. I am doing in method 1 taking log to both sides. Ln y, it is ln sin x to the power cos x. Then what will happen? Cos will come to this, because we know the formula. Any sin x to the power n, anything to box to the power n will come to the front. It becomes cos x into ln sin x. Okay, now it is ln y implied. Taking the differentiation to both sides, d by dx of ln y is equal to d by dx of cos x into ln sin x. Now, both sides are very interesting. You have already taught by me the d by dx of ln x. You know this. D by dx of ln x. This is 1 by x. Then after I told you d by dx ln box. It is 1 by box into d by dx of that box. Suppose I told you once d by dx of ln sec x. It becomes what? 1 by sec x into derivative of sec x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. It becomes cancel. Answer becomes tan x. You know it. Now I am telling you another thing. D by dx. Here x. Here the function is also in x. Now I am telling ln y. What will happen? Look at me. It is different from all other. It is 1 by y into d by dx of that y. It becomes 1 by y into dy by dx. You should mark this thing. Very, very important. Okay. Now I am giving you one example of my early age in high school career. In class 1, 2, when sir told me to add 2, 3, suppose there are 2 fingers here, there are 2 fingers here, 2 fingers, then here 3 fingers. If you add, then it becomes total, it is 5. In my class 6, my teacher told me 2a plus 3a. Then I thought, what a is coming? We should read only digits. Now here letters are coming. What will happen? And I told sir, I don't understand it. Then sir told me here a. How many a's are here? I told sir 2 a's are here. Then my teacher told me, here how many a's are here? I told sir 3 a's. Okay. Now write it here 2a. Write it as 3a. Then add. Tell me how many a's are there? You think first it is apple. A plus a. 2 apples. Now 3 apples. It becomes what? Now it becomes 5a or 5 apples. I think yes. It's on. Now it's easy. So after 2 days or 3 days, sir taught us 2a plus 3b. Told me what is that. And we the students thought, sir, it is 5ab. sir told us, is it 5 apple? Means I am giving you 2 apples and 3 bananas. It is 5 apple banana. No sir, it is not 5. 5 apple and 5 banana. No sir, it is not. Then tell me, sir, some of us told, sir, it is 5 apple. Sir told, it is 2 apple and 3 banana. Are the answer is 5 apple? Oh, no, sir, it is not 5 apple. Then it is also wrong. Then some of us 5 banana. It is also not. Then what will happen? It is not 5 apple banana, not 5 apple, not 5 banana. Then some of my friends told, sir, it is a 2a plus 3b. Sir, it will happen, nothing will happen. It will become as remain. Means 2a plus 3b is 2a plus 3b. Then sir told, yes, it is correct. Similarly, here d by dx ln x, we are getting one answer tan x. Here ln box, it is 1 by box d by dx of that box. Here d by dx ln y, it is 1 by y dy by dx. This, it is a headache thing for us, but don't think it is headache. You should keep its remain 1 by y into d by dx of that y, like this, 2a plus 3b. It is nothing but that 2a plus 3b. Similarly, d by dx of ln y is nothing but 1 by y dy by dx. So it becomes what? 1 by y into dy by dx. Try to understand this. Y, here x. Answer will be ln y. 1 by box means 1 by y. D by dx of that, d by dx of that box. Box is what? Y. Then tell me what will happen here. Now I am watching this. Okay. Now it is cos x into d by dx of ln sin x plus ln sin x into d by dx of what? Cos x. Now this implies 1 by y dy by dx is equal to what? 1 by y dy by dx. Cos x into d by dx of ln sin x. It is what? 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is what? Cos x plus ln sin x into d by dx of cos x. It becomes minus sin x. Now, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to y whole into. This tell me 1 by sin x into cos x. It becomes what? Cos x by sin x, it becomes cot x. So, cot x minus sin x into ln sin x. And it becomes what? Is equal to y. In place of y, I have to write sin x to the power cos x whole into cot x minus sin x into ln sin x. Now this is the answer of d by dx of y. What is y? Sin x to the power cos x. Look at here. I am doing this problem. This is the answer. I am doing this problem again by method 2 coming to this point. Okay. Now, I have in method 2, first I explain one formula, then I will do that problem. Y is equal to suppose ln x. Then ln means what? Log with base c. Log with base c of x. Y is equal to log x base c. Then e to the power y is x. Now putting here y ln x. So e to the power ln x is equal to what? X. E to the power ln x is equal to x. In place of x, if I will put something, any box, then e to the power ln box is equal to that box. Okay. Now I am doing. Now here this is box. Y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. Suppose this is my box. What we have to put? This implies y is equal to e to the power ln. What is box? It is sin x to the power cos x. This is my box. It is big box, it is small box, but they are same thing. And now it becomes e to the power. This cos x will come to this front. It becomes what? Cos x into ln sin x. Now remember what? Remember this sin x to the power cos x is same as e to the power cos x ln sin x. Now y. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx. Now the formula is d by dx of e to the power cos x into ln sin x. Cos x into ln sin x. How many things are there? Now two things are there. If d by dx of e to the power box, then it becomes, I am writing again, dy by dx e to the power box. Derivative is e to the power box. Box means cos x into ln sin x into d by dx of cos x into ln what? Sin x. Then it is, you know, e to the power cos x ln sin x. Tell me, e to the power cos x ln sin x is sin x to the power cos x. So I am writing here sin x to the power cos x into, what is the derivative of this? You write, this is cos x here into, what is derivative of ln sin x? 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x. It is cos x plus, you write ln sin x here, then do the derivative of what? Derivative of cos x, that is what? Minus sin x. The result is what? Sin x to the power cos x into cos x into cot x. Perhaps I have mistakenly forgotten it. It is not, it is cos x into cot x, sorry. Cos x into cot x minus sin x. Here it is ln sin x. Okay. Now I have forgotten in that method 1, this cos x into cos x by sin x. It is cot x. Everything is okay except this I have forgotten to write. Okay. I am telling now method 3, but strictly I am telling you should not do this problem for exam. It is method 3. You should not do for exam. What is that? Y is equal to sin x to the power cos x. First, you have to divide two things. First thing, it is sin x to the power n. N means what? Cos x. Sin x to the power cos x. Cos x. And you think it is n. Next, plus. Next you think this sin x to the power cos x. And you think this is your a. So first you think it is sin x to the power n. First you think it is sin x to the power n. Next thing, it is a to the power cos x. That means first you have to think the the power is constant. Next, base is constant. Now differentiate it. What is the answer? dy by dx. You know already the formula is what? Formula is n into cos x to the power it is n into sin x to the power cos x minus 1 into, what is that n? N is what? It is cos x. Sin x to the power what? Sin x to the power, it is n. N into sin x, n into sin x to the power n minus 1 into derivative of this variable that is now treating as constant. Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x plus sin a to the power cos x. It is sin x to the power cos x means a to the power cos a to the power x ln a means ln sin x. You know a to the power cos x, a to the power cos x ln a into d by dx of this variable. D by dx of this variable is what? I am writing here again d by dx into d by dx of cos x. And here I am writing d by dx of sin x because you should know which one is variable and which one is constant. In each time I am not taking the differentiation of constants, differentiation of the variables. Here it becomes cos x into sin x to the power cos x by what? Tell me. Sin x to the power cos x divided by sin x into derivative of sin x is what? It is cos x plus sin x to the power cos x into ln sin x into derivative of cos x. It becomes minus sin x. Here look at me. Here sin x to the power cos x in both sides are there. Sin x to the power cos x and sin x to the power what? Cos x. So take common. It becomes sin x to the power cos x whole into cos x. Here one I am taking cos x. So cos x by sin x is what? Cot x. Cos x into cot x. Cos x into cot x minus sin x coming to the front side. Sin x into ln sin x, which is your answer of method 1 and method 2. I am doing this problem, but you should not do this problem in exam. Okay? Somebody asked me why you sir add it. It is a method, you have to remember it. First you think this is variable, power is variable, next you think this base is variable, then you add, you will get the answer. Okay? It has one formula and you will later know it. Okay. Okay. Now, many times this type of problems will come in your exam. Y is equal to sin x to the power cos x plus x to the power tan x. So it is variable to the power variable plus again variable to the power variable. So many students will do like this. Ln y is equal to ln sin x to the power cos x plus x to the power this is equal to ln this log a plus b. It is ln sin x to the power cos x plus ln x to the power tan x. Then they are doing like this, cos x ln sin x plus tan x ln x. I am making it one box. And you have to remember one very important line. Write it here in your copy. If I will do by this method, if I will do by this method, then I am a nonsense. I am repeatedly telling you, many students while learning this chapter, they take log of this, then expand like this. Never think ln a plus b, because ln a plus b is not equal to ln a plus ln b. For this you have to write, ln a plus ln b is in your formula. Have you read like this? Sin a plus b is equal to your sin a plus sin b. Is it correct? As it is wrong, so similarly sin log a plus b is not equal to ln a plus ln b. You should write in your copy this box. Many students, I have told, 90% students do like this in their exam paper. So I am writing that if I will do by this method, then I am a nonsense. I am a nonsense. Mark it properly. Then I am going to solve it. Okay. So by method 1, you have to put this and write it as u. This is v. dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Where you write, where this is equation 1, where u is equal to sin x to the power cos x, taking log ln u, ln sin x to the power cos x. Then you can find the differentiation which I have already told you. Du by dx is, suppose you know it by the previous exam. Similarly, v is equal to x to the power tan x. Then take ln y, ln x to the power tan x. Ln v is equal to ln x to the power tan x. It becomes ln v. Tan x come to the front side. Tan x, it is ln x. Then applying the product rule, you can similarly find the value of dv by dx. Now and you get the answer. This is method 1. You can do it. Now sin x to the power cos x, it is equal to e to the power ln sin x to the power cos x. It becomes e to the power cos x into ln sin x. And x to the power tan x. What is this? It is e to the power x to the power tan x. Sorry. Is equal to e to the power ln x to the power tan x. Then it becomes what? E to the power tan x into ln x. Now, in place of sin x to the power cos x, I can write what? E to the power cos x into ln sin x. And in place of x to the power tan x, I can write e to the power tan x into what? Ln x. Now, if I will differentiate dy by dx of what? E to the power cos x ln sin x plus d by dx e to the power tan x ln sin x. Note it. Then I will then I will teach you. And e to the power, now d by dx of e to the power box. What is the answer? E to the power box. E to dy by dx becomes e to the power box, means cos x into ln sin x into d by dx of what? Cos x ln sin x. Cos x into ln sin x plus, tell me, e to the power tan x ln x. E to the power tan x ln x. What I will write? E to the power tan x ln x. I will write x to the e to the power tan x into ln x. Differentiation is e to the power tan x into ln x into d by dx of what? Tan x into ln x. Now, in place of e to the power cos x ln x, e to the power cos x ln x, what I will put? X to the power sin x. So, I will put here sin x to the e to the power cos x ln sin x. E to the power cos x ln sin x. It is what? Sin x to the power cos x. So now I am washing this line. Okay? I am washing this line. Into d by dx of cos x ln sin x. And you know the formula. D by dx of you put here cos x into d by dx ln sin x plus ln sin x into d by dx of cos x. Okay, this one. Then plus, and in place of e to the power tan x ln x, what you will write? You will write x to the power tan x. X to the power tan x into what? Tan x into d by dx of ln x plus ln x d by dx of what? Tan x. It becomes sin x into cos x, and in place of ln sin x, what you will do? D by dx of ln sin x, 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x, it is what? Cos x plus ln sin x, and the differentiation, this result is coming to this line, and the differentiation of cos x is what? D by dx of cos x is minus sin x. I am writing it here, plus, and putting it, and then x to the power, I am writing it here, x to the power tan x into tan x. What is d by dx of ln x? D by dx of ln x is 1 by x plus ln x, and d by dx of ln x is what? D by dx of ln x is sec square x. D by dx of ln x, this is ln x 1 by x, I am writing here ln x 1 by x, and in place of d by dx tan x, I am writing what? Sec square x. Now you will arrange and get the answer properly. Okay? Using logarithmic function, this is the second application. Now suppose this y is equal to 2x minus 1 to the power half, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 4 to the power 1 by 3, 5x plus 7 to the power 1 by 5, 6x minus 8 to the power 1 by 6. If you have to, and the question is to find dy by dx. If you will differentiate it, then first you have to apply u by v rule, v derivative u minus u derivative v by v square, then product rule. Very tedious work. Now very interesting work is there, applying logarithm. Take logarithm of both sides, log to both sides, log y is log this much, and applying these three formulas. Log a by b, you know it is log a minus log b. Log u into b, you know log u plus log b. Log x to the power n, you know log n log x. Now ln y is equal to ln 2x minus 1 to the power half into 3x plus 4 to the power 1 by 3 minus log numerator, this is log numerator minus this is log numerator part minus log denominator part. This is your denominator part, 5x plus 7 to the power 1 by 5, 6x minus 8 to the power 1 by 6. Now again applying log u into v, log a plus log u plus log v. Applying this same formula, ln u into v, ln u plus ln v. Okay, then applying this formula, the power n should come to the front side. Half ln 2x minus 1. Similarly you multiply minus and taking 1 by 5 to here. Similarly multiplying minus and taking 1 by 6. And you get this line. But now when you will differentiate both sides with respect to x, d by dx ln y is half d by dx of ln this much. Similarly 1 by 3 d by dx of ln 3x plus 4, like that. Now ln y, I have already taught you, ln y, differentiating ln y, we get 1 by y dy by dx, 1 by 2, it is ln 2x minus 1, 1 by 2x minus 1, d by dx of 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3x plus 4 into d by dx 3x minus 4, and you are doing like this line. It is 1 by y dy by dx. It is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2x minus 1, and derivative of 2x minus 1. Derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative 1 is 0. So it is 1 by 2x minus 1 into 2. Similarly 1 by 3 into 1 by 3x minus 1 plus 4 into 3. Similarly you are doing that line. Now dy by dx, you have to multiply this y. It is very important for exam. Y whole into, now you cancel 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6. You are getting y whole into 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 3x plus 4 minus 1 by 5x plus 1 minus 1 by 6x minus 8, and at last you will put the value of y. Okay, x. Okay.